In this video, I'm going to explain what support and resistance is, how to spot good support and resistance level, and how to use support and resistance for your trade. You agree with me that support and resistance is the most popular trading strategy, and a lot of people are using it to make the market. People have become profitable by simply trading support and resistance, and you too can also use support and resistance to trade crypto or forex trading and become profitable with it. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can achieve this. What I want you to do is simply like this video, subscribe, and turn the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So before we get started, I'll quickly use an illustration to explain what support and resistance is so that everybody can understand. Again, support is like the floor level, while resistance is like the top, you get the top of a building, you get. So what this really means is that in support bounces price upward, while resistance is what reject price when price from going above this place, you get. So resistance level reject price back, while support level bounces price upward. Resistance level they will reject price downward, while support level did what bounces price or for this what support resistance level means you get. So at the support level, we should be looking what we should be looking to buy because at this place, you know that price when the price get to this level, price always bounces upward. You get, and at the resistance level, we should be looking to sell because you know that when price gets to this level, market always says price always comes down. These are the basics of support and resistance. Okay. In this diagram right here, this is an example of a bullish market. You get. I'm going to show you guys how to support it. You get. Remember, I said support is like the floor level where price bounces up. Starting from this place, you can see that this particular region is the support level. In the sense that when price get to this place, you get say price bounces upward, and this particular place right here is like the resistance level. And when price get to this place, price is what price like when price from here this place, it's just that the price came down again. And when price go to this place, which is price not price came down again. Also at this level, we are going to that this particular level is also a support level. Because anytime price get to this space, it bounces upward. And this space also a resistance. This space kind of a resistance level too. Because when price get to this space, when price from going higher, you get. So there are some qualities of good support and resistance. There are some qualities of a good support and resistance. One of the qualities that a good support and resistance level should show multiple rejection. Multiple rejection means that price must bounce off from that place more than once, either two times or three times. You get same thing for resistance level. Good resistance level, price shield, it will reject price more than once. In this first illustration, you can see that this particular place is rejecting price more than once. One, two, three, and same with here. And you can see this particular one right here, it's bouncing price of three times and this reject price for twice. So that you should look out for that. A good support should act as a resistance zone and a good resistance should act as a support zone, which means that support and resistance level they can interchange their roles. They can what interchange their roles. For example, at this particular place, you can see that this was a support level that bounces price upward, and this was a resistance level that rejects price. But at this particular place, you are going that this particular resistance level they would act as a support at this place. You get so the support at the resistance at this place changes what to support. You get and so it is what it bounces price also a good support level should also act as a resistance level, while a good resistance level should also act as a support level. So if you look at the chart and it's a resistance level, you get you saw a support level that once acted as a resistance level, know that that is a good support. So this particular place right here, this one you see right here, are good support level. These points are actually good support level. Why? Because they has once acted as a resistance level. Also, in this space, right, you can see this is the resistance level. If paraventure price goes up and come back to this place again, you see around this place, you know that this will be a very good support level because a price has once tested it before and it has once been used as a resistance level before. I believe you understand. So, guys, in the chat, we're going to draw out the obvious support and resistance. You know that support and resistance needs to be very obvious. Although like you should be able to see it. So for the base that, what can we say? You can see that this is support zone because at this level you can see that when price gets to this particular place, now when price gets to this particular place, this will price rejects off or bounces off. And also when price get to this particular place, you can see that price bounces upward to the upside. So these are what good support and zone. And also the top of this place is actually a resistance zone, as you can see, because when entire price to this place, price bounces up. This is you can say this is a good support zone because you can see it's bounce price have bounced off this place twice. Because when price get to a bounce off, our price came again to it test this place and now price wants to bounce off before. And if you look to the left, if you draw this out, you're going to see that this place has once acted what as a resistance zone before. You can see you can see it with dirty price at this particular place and also dirty price at this particular place. So it's actually a very strong what support zone. Also, you can point out other support and resistance. So you can see at this place is also a what a resistance zone because it has rotated price before, and you can see at this place acted as a support zone for this. So this means that a good support and resistance zone should should be tested more than once, at least twice or three times, and also should a good support zone should also act as a resistance zone. So if you want to trade this, as you can see, there are a lot of support zone on this particular chart and a lot of resistance zone. But you should go for the ones that is close to the current market price again. So a this place is a support zone and it has been used before as a resistance zone if you check at this place you get. So and this place also is supposable the most recent support zone. So if you're looking to go into this particular trade or trade this particular coin, what sorry, trade this particular crypto Forex pair, what you need to do is simply wait for price to come to this place. And once price come to this place, it what you buy. And also you don't have to enter immediately. Okay? You have to wait for confirmation again before you enter into it. Because we can't predict the market absolutely. We can't predict market absolutely. You get we act according to what the market does. So if peradventure price regularly get to this place again and it starts to retrace this again, if it came to this place, we have to wait for it to come to this place. And once it start making what bullish sign, then we can still enter it. But if it breaks past this place, we know that the next suppose will be targeting will be this particular place. If you wait, once you get to this place, all you know this to do what is to wait to see a bullish sign. And once we see that bullish sign, what we do, we simply buy and put our TP at this particular place again. So support as also cancel out as point of your take profit and stop loss again. But for me, if I want to enter into this particular market, I will actually target this particular support zone because there is kind of an imbalance at this particular place and other block at this particular level gate. So if this particular price goes to this place, the next place I think the target will be this particular place. So you guys can see support as that zone is actually a very good uh points. This is actually a very good strategy and this is really very easy to get. So even in the downward market, it still works. It still works. So guys, I believe you understand what I've explained. Don't understand, let me know in the comment section. And if I need the helpful, don't to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.